It's your boy JAMAICAN.
It's your girl SyVon,
And we are back with another video.
Today we are reacting to Jadel.
Jadel.
You man.
Yaman. Not Yaman. Yaman.
Like yo man.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna be reacting to Jadel Yaman official music video. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this thing. Alright, let's do this. Come on, full screen. Let's do this.
I wonder if this girl really think I was your man. For what trouble this is what I really can't win. Yeah, I find your price. Your price is what I really can't win.
Is that the words to the song?
Nah, I think it's off.
Oh, I was gonna say, wait a minute. I was looking for the words and okay. Let's start it over because
Let's start over.
Because it comes by
And
surprise.
if this girl really think I was your man. For what trouble this is what I really can't win. Yeah, I find your price. Your price is what I really can't win. I saw wine and I give him.
The actual wine she give him. She give him.
All right, tell me something because I ain't understand not one word since this video started. I didn't hear not one word since
I can already
this
tell.
video
I see you
started.
looking up.
What did she say? At this point, I'm looking at the video, like I'm going by the video, and the words I don't know. Okay, so right here it said bearded guy begins to eye whine. So he whining with his eyes?
No, I don't think so, nigga. I mean, I guess he's just like, he's like giving her that look, I guess you want to say. Because she's dancing with the next girl.
Right.
Then she walked in.
And he looking at her, and now he whining with her,
like, with
his eyes. He making eye contact.
Yeah, he was eye contact. Yeah, while dancing on that film, he like, wait a minute.
I got you. So he for the streets.
We don't know that.
I know that just by what off this video. Off this scene right here. Okay, let's get to it then.
Wine is how wine I
I guess you can look right here, down here, just to get an idea of what the little section.
The little section is about, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop the video.
Okay. Yeah, because you're here, won't you? Walk away. Casamigos. When she wind down low, he asked for the phone number.
Yeah, man, can man feel the body on the rifle, man. Say, uncle, baby, take time with it. Then give me them number, man.
Let me give my number, man.
W. Wait, what she said? He asked if he can come over. She asked.
He asked when she winded lower or something like that. Then he asked her to come over.
Yeah, man. Mommy, have to follow mommy. Once you can do that, beg mommy.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
She said no.
Mommy, you're not ready yet. Go back. Mommy, you're not ready yet. Go back. Go back.
No, because
Mommy, you're not ready yet. Mommy, you're not ready yet. You're not ready yet. Go back home and recycle and come back.
she was getting there, but he eyeballing other females that just walked in the club. He didn't
No,
even
you saw this female just died. You pushed out. She just
you
start
supposed
crazy.
to just stop. You supposed to just go into
Just
it.
go crazy, bro. She had get the feeling and no, my mom said.
Because you gotta it's a startup thing. You can't just go straight into it.
You remember what he said? He for the streets, right? If he for the streets, the man wants one lick and cut. Man in a long chattings, bro.
Come on. Yeah, because what he doing?
You think that should go out?
Who?
Them two. The black and the white.
Nah.
If they don't go out there, why are you so worried about it?
Because she came there with him. I mean, they probably was on like a third date type of situation or something like that. Because for him to just go and start this with a female, they can't be in a relationship for real.
I mean, I can't be in a relationship.
They probably was on the third date, and he was like, let's go to the club or whatever, let's drink some Casamigos, and we finna turn up. And then I'm coming back from the ladies' room, and I see you dance with a whole nother female. Sir, what are you doing?
No. Because she's sexy more than that lady, man.
I don't. No. See, that's what men.
Yes, the man after the streets, man just want a one night.
Listen, she might be good looking on the outside, but is she good looking on the inside, boo? Because she could be toxic, she could be insecure, she could be all this other stuff on the inside, but on the outside, because she look good, her hair fixed, her body looking right, and all that
night.
Stuff. But she could be a low-key gold digger.
The man just want a one night with Cathy, bro.
Okay, what if she get pregnant then? What? A one night turn into 18 more 4 years. Now what? Now what we talking about? What we talking about? Now you gotta deal with somebody that's toxic, that's a gold digger for 18 dollars.
We don't know that. We don't know that.
You don't know that either.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Come on, cause I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it.
But one thing for sure,
There we go. And I'm right there with her. Check that man, because don't check me.
Yeah, check
because, baby, I just stepped in here and he looking at me like he looking at me. And he wasn't looking at you like he was looking at me. So obviously it's something going on in your village. But
so when they were dancing for the first part, right? Mm-hmm. He was looking at her. I guess she saw him looking at her and she walked away.
Mm-hmm.
So why you walking for? If they really like you, why you walking for? Different man, bro.
She went to the ladies' room.
No, man. You can't.
She went to the ladies' room.
You think me can't see your eyes on man and then you just walk away? No.
She probably just came back and be like, okay, well, he ain't finna do nothing. You know what I'm saying? Let me just walk back because, you know, I'm getting riled up for no reason. So let me just walk back.
Other video.
Woo.
That's why I'm on tell me. That girl not give him so. Say that jiggle. That's why I'm on me. I don't want that black now go on with no vibes. Yeah. Now give him no vibes, bro. No vibes, man.
Whatever. Oh, I like that outfit.
I'm saying the girl, right?
Yeah. Look at that food. They look so good. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
I'm serious at the money. I'm serious at the money that I look on. I'm serious at the money that I look on. Look at pause video a while ago.
What?
I swear it was the guy you're looking at.
I ain't about to worry about him. I'm talking about these chicken wings.
Alright, look, here she go.
I'm talking about these chicken wings.
Here she go.
Yeah, See where his head at? I'm talking about this chicken wing.
Chicken was kind of big though.
Babe, we need to go on a date and go. Oh, we need to try fuzzy tacos. That's a size point.
What name was it taco? Is the taco fuzzy? No. It something must be fuzzy. What's fuzzy? What?
I don't know. Maybe it's just fluffy. The taco is just fluffy. I don't know.
Okay.
Right.
Keep messaging me on Facebook. Telling me he love all my Facebook. You like it every single.
That's him like how you wind up on me.
Then he like all her pictures.
That's what I say. Like how you wind up on me. Yeah.
On my IG. My comments are calling me sexy. And then when I don't know, he asked for my phone number.
No.
Oh, she said no.
She said, no.
She said no.
She said no. No, sir. Put that phone.
Tell him no.
Put that.
Hey, come on for me then. Come on for me. Tell me no. Let me stand up here so I give you time. Come on for me and give me my time. Blood clot, come on tell me no.
How she gonna give you back your time?
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. No.
Don't get it confused, baby. No, we can see your woman telling me keep away from she man.
Yes, I'm using for 2 drinks.
That's it. That's all she wanted. I told you, go digger.
She using for 2 drinks.
That's all she wanted. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say go digger, but whatever.
She using for 2 drinks, bro.
She get what she wanted, and that's it. You gonna blow up a whole good relationship for a lady that only wanted 2 drinks and a little dance off of you. You gonna blow up a whole relationship for that?
So I'm gonna go home and tell my wife. I'm gonna go home and tell my girl I'm sorry now.
Peace.
After she come diss me.
Peace.
Yeah, you tell me peace?
Peace.
Peace. We never smash though.
Peace.
We never cheat. We never cheat or do anything.
You cheated on me.
Oh, me cheat, bro. I'm cheat.
You mentally cheated on me.
Mentally cheat.
You mentally cheated on me, and that's the word. I mean, the physically cheat is the mentally cheating on me. Yeah. When you sitting here thinking about this girl, you sitting over here thinking about what you can do and what you could do and what you should do with this girl. You mentally cheated on me, and I'm gonna mentally and physically and verbally exit stage right.
Okay.
Peace.
Okay.
One thing you would never catch me doing, well, it's different because we're married. But if you're at fault, then yes, sir, you're gonna have to work for this. But one thing I will not do is fight a woman over a man. I'm not doing it.
Here you go.
I'm not gonna be like, oh, you need to leave my man alone. No, your man needs to leave me alone.
Guys, we got her started.
Yeah, this guy.
We got her started. And she now gonna stop.
Y'all do not talk about me in the comment section below, because if y'all do, I don't care. I'm not about to sit here and fight over them. I'm not gonna tell no woman, leave my man alone. Because obviously your man want that attention for you to go and say, leave my man alone. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
You can't proceed?
Period.
Suck yourself, move for yourself, man. You can lose me for 2 drinks and you want to wind up on me. Suck yourself, man.
If he spin me around one more time.
Oh, for yourself. Yeah, I love you back. Like I feel when they ride up on him right from man, I say, yo, she feel like she can't do something in that bed. That the man I say. Yeah, and man say, no, stop until they get you.
Yeah, until she said no.
Man, I start to give him vibes, bro. The man I start to give him the vibes. Man, I start, the man say, yo, I'm being with my girl for so long, she give him the advice, and if you was going to give you calm attention in less than 5 seconds, yo, what's your number? You like your number 5 on Instagram. Me stalk my Instagram, me like all the pictures, and man, still give me some attention. Yo.
Oh my God. Right.
Whatever. Go on about the business then. Go on. Go on. You see me there on your side, you know. When you're there on your side, you look fine, you know. You're there on your side, you know. But now you come and go on, you want to go this my friend, you know. You want to give man a little boom boom.
Because
go on, what is this man?
Woman, and she wasn't going for that.
And I ain't woman that. I can't woman that.
But why?
I can't be woman.
But why did just let that food just sit there like they, you know?
The food fake, a decoration. I can't even wonder. If I can't even. If me and dance with you, babe, and you see me just come here, so I'll give somebody attention. Where you go? You're stop and say you go to the restroom and come back.
I'm going home.
Wait. Wait, I expect you to say one day.
I'm going home.
You go home?
I'll go home.
You go home?
Yeah.
See, I'm like, hey, what you doing? Nothing? Just like a walk with?
Peace. Obviously, you want something from that girl that I'm not giving you, so I'm going. I'm going to go home. I'm going to pack your stuff. It's going to be at the door for you.
But I told you.
And I'm going to put both locks on the door.
I told you anything.
I'm going to put both locks.
I told you anything.
What that mean?
You call the police and show them my name, so I'm not anything.
No. And I'm gonna talk to police. If you let this man in goddamn house, y'all might as well just stay right there. Because I'm gonna call y'all back and say escort him.
But bro, I was trying to help you, but you know, man, for you, you're looking at one of that.
Yeah, he's on his own. Leave him alone. Nope.
Go ahead. Why don't I? Go ahead.
But they could at least ate one taco and one chicken wing though. Yeah.
What? You go to the business, man.
Get on up out my face and go up my
You feel about.
Yeah. This is a good little like. But yeah, me, I'm not doing all of that. I'm not finna say, I'm not a public confrontational type of person. I don't like, unless I'm pushed there, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I'm pushed there, I will. But I'm not about to just, like, if I'm in a grocery store and you cut in front of me, or, nah, because I might say some shit. Like, ma'am, you can see me in line right here? You want to get behind me?
No, we walked up together.
Get behind
as soon as I walked up, you walked up. So we side by side. So, yeah.
I'm just not a public conversation type of person, so I'm not gonna argue with another female in a club over the dude I came in here with. If he wants you, boo-boo, he looked at you, you can have him, because I promise you, I ain't got time for it.
She's just saying that now, yes. Somebody can, she's just saying that. If it ain't having for real, she's just saying that now. Boy, that shit having for real, but my bad. If that ish having for real, she gonna start a whole war.
Over my husband. But if he decides he wants to look at you, y'all can talk. Yeah, go ahead. But when he come home, it's on 12.
My clothes gonna be
It's on sight. I am a private confrontational type of person. It's on sight. But in public, go ahead. Enjoy yourself, boo. Matter of fact, y'all want some drinks? I got you. I'll order y'all some food too. I got you. Drinks on me, boo. Step in this door. Ha! Step in this door.
But the video,
You think he's stressed out?
Like, comment, subscribe, people. Right in the video right now, so gosh, you know I know. Peace. Let's see you guys.
Peace.